At Simple Tech Skills, we want to teach you the latest tech skills so that you stay safe online. My client just got hacked. Their Instagram account is hacked and we're working to get it retrieved. So if you surf the internet online, you're an entrepreneur, business owner, it is mandatory that you should be using a password manager. There are two major hacks you need to be aware of. One is the AT&T major data breach, and then second is the Moab, mother of all breaches, that got hacked. So pretty much if you have an account on any of these apps, your username and password is online for the hackers to use and compromise. So highly recommend. It is now mandatory in 2024 to be using a password manager. I teach my clients how to use 1Password in the course at simpletechskills.com, where you can learn how to stay safe online, use the latest tech, and how to use a password manager. So stay safe online, reset your passwords, and use a password manager. Thank you.